So check this out. Messing with my rags right just a few minutes ago, and look what I come up with. This is 2 rags. Man, I'm digging this. I'm doing this to see what it looks like. Man, I can move around, it doesn't come off my face. Look at this. This is the bomb. This is it. And these 2 rags are mine. I think I'm going to keep these guys. What do you think of that? Easy breathable cloth. Man, this is the deal. I wish I had this in the Army. This pisses me off. Oh, that's beautiful. That is perfect. It fits right up the nose. Man, can this get any better? Look at this. There we go. Bill right there. You put a shirt over this. You have it going on. Shit. Oh, it's on now. Oh, meanie. My zipper's broke. I need a coat. That's all I have. Dude, I got it going on. Look at that. Man, I'm on. If you don't dig that, you're not digging it. Look at that. Shoot, that's the bomb. That's the bomb right there. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's see.